It's a slippy out here.
We made it up north home in one piece, and now it's time to play in the snow.
Look at him go. He's just blazing a little trail. It just looks like a little snowball. The snow's deep. Yeah, the turning radius, it's really wide with those tracks. Oh, he's covered in snow.
Is that a real outhouse?
Yeah.
What? It's real?
Brought it down from Amory's property.
Yeah, that's where she would poop.
Up in Green. They had an actual hole dug in the ground.
Nice. Yeah, that's their bathroom.
Right now it's just sitting on top of the grass.
Dakota, do you poop in the outhouse?
Yeah, I poop in the outhouse. Oh my gosh, who's that? That's sister. Hi, sister.
What are you doing?